Naptown Tuner here with another performance modification video. If you know anything about my channel, you know I try not to be too repetitive, but I haven't shown this on the car yet. Of course, you don't take the service position or the core support off to get to this. You get to it from the bottom. But for the sake of recording something for the YouTube, I'm making it easy so you can visualize what's going on. So with the turbo installed, we're going to take our 7mm here, and we're simply going to take the boost outlet hose off of the turbo. This thing smacked me in the face. Good thing I got these safety glasses on. Okay, you see that? It just pulls right off. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get up here with our T30, and we're going to take these bolts out the side. There's 3 of them. And this, my friends, would be the turbo muffler. As soon as the boost starts to exit the turbo, it runs into this very turbulent muffler system. And we're simply going to replace it with like a less than $40 eBay part. Very few parts I would suggest buying off eBay, but this, I think you can get by with the cheap one. It's just a simple piece of metal. I'm about to show it to you. So after we're done taking our 3 bolts out, this insert right here, this snout, is just gonna pull straight out. See that? I just pulled it straight out. What you're gonna pay attention to here is there's an O-ring in the bottom. So we're going to carry that O-ring over to our new piece. Now, notice that there's holes and slits in there. The idea is the air can rush in this cavity here and get slowed down in this bell and quiets things down. We don't want the turbulence. We would rather just have a smooth pipe in here. That's where this comes in. It's just simply a smooth insert. So I'm gonna take this O-ring here, and this is where this part does not shine very well at all, because there's a groove in this piece and it fits in there pretty nicely. This piece, it just kind of flops around. This is the first kind I've got like this. This was the cheapest one they had. So does this O-ring fit in a groove in this turbo? Yes, it does. So what we're gonna try to do is, see, it won't stick up there. Now I just dropped it and I got it on my dirty garage floor. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean it off gently. I'm gonna clean it off, and then I'm gonna take some sticky grease and I'm gonna put it on there so that the grease makes it stick. Here we have the very popular Sil Glide. I'm just gonna take a little bit out right here. That's enough. And I'm just going to dap up this O-ring. But the thing is, I need kind of a little clumpy areas, because the clumpy areas will really make it stick. But I don't want to get like clumps of grease in my intake. Just need enough grease on there to make it tacky. The O-ring is 100% perfectly seated in the groove. And now I'm going to carefully install my turbo muffler delete. Just like so. Wiggled it back and forth just a little bit just to make sure that O-ring was fully seated. And now we're just gonna bolt it back in. It's as easy as that, folks. You can gain about 55 horsepower just with that simple trick. No, you can't. Naptown Tuner. Like and subscribe.